Koim emphasized the serious impact of alcohol on mental health and well-being during his address at the opening of the 50th Annual Medical Symposium. He highlighted how excessive alcohol consumption can lead to various forms of trauma, both physically and mentally, affecting individuals and the general public.
If you look at all the trauma cases that is being and follow the link, some of the tribal fights that are happening, which is the biggest contributor of the trauma cases that we have. The tribal fights, majority of them are caused by alcohol related.
He further highlighted the health professionals and the researchers that most of the trouble happening in the Highlands region and other parts of the country is due to alcohol.
Alcohol is becoming a significant contributor of the trauma, and if we follow that causal link, we will definitely come up with where we need to intervene. And in such a meeting like this, I invite all of you. You are professionals and you are think tanks, not the think tanks on the streets, but the think tanks who can have the insight to give us the foresight.
Meanwhile, WABEC Open member and former Health Minister Dr. Tom Lino explained the study done by the Enga Cultural Center on alcohol-related issues.
One of the studies done by our cultural center, doing studies on mediation and traditional mediation, they've realized that most of the issues or conflicts caused in our province were due to alcohol, consumption of alcohol and abuse of alcohol. So they wrote some very, very clear recommendations to the provincial government.
Dr. Lino called a better solution to address high consumption of alcohol in the country.
I'm calling for increased transparency and accountability across the health sector. All of us, clinicians and public health workers, hospitals, PHAs, institutions, multilateral agencies and development partners must set specific indicators by which our efforts and outputs must be measured and be open to constructive feedback for quality assurance.
According to the Western Islands Acting Chief Executive Officer Jane Holden, the highest cause of trauma in Mt Hagen General Hospital was caused by alcohol. Edward Luke, National EMTV News, Mt Hagen.